Alright, so real quick, I'm filming this from home. Obviously it's a little different setting than normal. These couple cars we did, it was a little hectic, so I didn't get a lot of pre-dyno session videos of it. These are both these guys are friends of mine. They are from the east side of Michigan. They work under the name of Antilag Racing, kind of a little side gig for both of them. The first car I'm going to show you is Jeremy's 99 Eclipse. It's a Force Performance 3065 turbocharged car. It's an engine machined by us. These guys, I've machined both these engines actually. They do the final assembly themselves. So that's Jeremy's car. It's an E85 car. It's got a JM Fab billet intake manifold on it. It's a nice piece. The car is really cool. It's pretty light. We weighed it right around 2,500 pounds. I think I touched on some of this in the video later on, but so that's Jeremy's car. The other car is Warren's. It's a 91 Dodge Colt. He's a good friend. These are a great group of guys. They're fun to hang out with. We had a great time on the dyno with them. So I'm just gonna get rolling with these. I talk about Warren's car a little bit before I show his dyno videos. Again, I'm gonna do I'll do a walk around before I show the videos of them, but yeah, it should be hope you enjoy them. They're both neat projects, great group of guys. Warren's car is going to be super sketchy. Watch the video, see what kind of power it made, but keep in mind the thing has a 93-inch wheelbase. So yeah, it's going to definitely be pretty hairy. Don't forget to subscribe to watch the rest of our videos, and here we go. So here's this 2G from these guys. This is it's got a Force Performance 3065 on it and a T4 housing. It's a steel rotted. Both these engines were built here by us at Force Engineering. This thing's a bit thing's cool. It's pretty light too. It's also a 2,500 pound car with driver. Obviously these removable door hinges make life easy. But Lexan windows. Just put the wing on it. You see you still got the tape on there from them mocking it up. Great looking car. Those wings look great. There's only a couple of these ever made. I don't remember how many, but it's not many. But we just got done with this. We made 608 to the tire. We couldn't really make more than 38 pounds with it. So, but definitely happy with that number. It's the 85 car. It's got a JMF billet intake manifold on it. But definitely going to be fun. Alright, today we're running this. What year is this thing, Warren? 91?
Yeah.
91 Dodge Caravan?
Yeah, Dodge Caravan.
It's a 75mm turbocharged, aluminum rotted. It's a low-ish compression setup. It's on alcohol, Magnus manifold. You know, it's pretty crazy. Warren does all the fab work himself, which is pretty cool. It's a Haltech ECU car, mechanical fuel pump. It's called Free Candy. It's actually a 91 Dodge Colt. He's got his catch can in the back. He just moved that. We've got the fan in here to evac stuff. But
yeah, cool thing. We actually just got done with this, and it made. Let's see, here's what the graph looks like. Made at 60-pound peak, falling to like 58, 57. It made it 843 horsepower, 551 foot-pounds of torque. So through an automatic, so a good runner for sure. Should be 8-second car all day long. Weighed it earlier, and it's a little over 2,500 pounds with the driver. So, but I'll get some dyno pull videos for you guys to check out.
Just to recap, Jeremy's car made 609 at 7,100, 7,000. I didn't show a graph, so I just wanted to touch base on that. Warren's car made 843 at 8280, so basically 8,300. Warren's car is pretty much out of turbochargers. Same with Jeremy's. Both the cars we maxed the chargers out today. So that's always a good problem to have, right? But I sat back here to show Warren more of what he's going to see next season, the back of my Mustang, as usual. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out other videos on our channel, other dyno review videos, some tech videos, some assembly tips. And yeah, check those out, subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep these videos coming.